Okay, let's talk about one of the biggest questions ever. Why are we even here? So the Quran starts with this amazing question about a time before we even existed. For this explainer, we're diving into 3 verses from the chapter called Al-Insan, or the human. Just think about it. There was a time when we were literally nothing, not even a memory. Then, out of that nothingness, we're deliberately created from such a humble, simple beginning. This term really drives home our simple, physical start. It sets up a pretty amazing contrast, right? And here's the key. Our existence isn't just random. It's designed with a real purpose. And there it is, the core reason, plain and simple. We were created to be tested. To really get our purpose, we have to understand this idea of a divine test, or ibtila. But we're not just thrown into this test unprepared. We're actually given the tools we need. And these aren't just for seeing and hearing. They're our moral compass for making conscious choices. Okay, so we're equipped, but we're not abandoned either. God actually shows us the way. This guidance lights up the path for us, but walking it, that choice is all ours. So you're equipped, you're guided, and now you're at a crossroads. A huge choice to make. And it really all boils down to this. Will you be grateful or will you be ungrateful? That freedom to choose, it's our biggest responsibility, and it defines everything in the end. So let's just recap the journey, from nothing to being created to being given a defining choice. Which leaves us with a big question for ourselves. What are we doing with these incredible gifts?